ADP versus TriNet. Two industry-defining HR giants. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, ADP, the enterprise-grade HR and payroll powerhouse. And on the right, TriNet, the full-service PEO focused on simplicity. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what matters for your business. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which solution takes the lead. The result just might surprise you. Let me give you the bird's eye view real quick. Here's what we're going to check out: pricing and flexibility, their HR and payroll features, integrations, employee experience, customer support, and, oh, don't sleep on this, scalability. If you want the full picture, stick around, because each of these kind of reveals a different side of these platforms. All right, let's kick it off with pricing and flexibility. Starting with ADP, so you don't really see sticker prices on their site. It's all custom quotes. I mean, that's cool if you need specific solutions, but honestly, it's kind of like shopping for a car and being told, we'll chat about the price after you fill out 10 forms. Add-ons can rack up fast, too, so watch out. Now, TriNet flips the script. They do per-employee pricing, and everything's bundled up, so you spend less time figuring out plans and more time, running your biz. Downside, you still have to request a quote. No public prices hanging out there. Still, with that simplicity, TriNet takes this round. Next up, HR and payroll features. ADP really brings the thunder here. Their stuff is all-in-one, crazy deep reporting, way too many integrations, and enough analytics to make your inner spreadsheet geek do a happy dance. The catch? You might get lost in the navigation once or twice, and if talent management is your thing, it doesn't go super deep. TriNet's more tailored. Think made for your industry vibes. Easy portal for employees, and payroll invoices laid out nice and neat. Some folks say payroll errors happen though, which is yikes. But overall, ADP's crazy feature set wins this category. Let's talk integrations now. ADP is a monster here. Seriously, it hooks up with Slack, Wave, Workday, you name it. There's even a custom API if you want to get nerdy. Like, if you've got a Frankenstein mix of systems, ADP's probably got you. That said, some advanced setups might need IT backup. And yeah, patience. TriNet? It's way more plug and play. Super easy onboarding, and they hit all the essentials. But they're not as generous with partner apps. So if you want that big toolbox, ADP nabs the win. Hold up. Here's a fun tidbit. You know ADP's been around since like 1949, and now they're serving over 1 million clients worldwide. That's wild. Talking OG status in HR tech. All right, employee experience. So ADP gives you reliable payroll cycles, and you can customize reports for your team. Sweet. But honestly, trying to set up healthcare benefits, it can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube. Plus, jumping between different tools is kinda a headache. TriNet, on the other hand, has this clean, super friendly portal for employees. Everything benefits, and data is just, boom, handled. Downside? Refund filings aren't always supported. But still, for ease of use and making your team happy, TriNet's got it. Moving to customer support. ADP, they roll out these seasoned HR consultants and load you up with onboarding resources, which is gold. Sometimes though, especially setting up benefits, the communication can drag its feet. TriNet's got round-the-clock support. Like, you can chat, call, send an email at 3 a.m. if you really want. Industry-certified people, too. But the experience varies. One rep might be a rock star, and another's just meh. Still, ADP's consistency wins out when you need the big guns. Finally, scalability. ADP is made for the big leagues. You're hiring fast, branching out to different states, or customizing as you grow, they can totally handle it. There's a minimum, though. 5 employees, just to start with their PEO setup. TriNet is more about smart scaling, with flexible pricing and bundled offerings that help you ramp up quick. Only thing, their industry focus might mean you outgrow what they offer at some point. But for massive growth and complexity, ADP takes the lead. So, picture the head-to-head. ADP spikes in features, integrations, and scalability. TriNet shines in pricing and just making the whole experience easier on your team. Some categories are a close call, but those strengths define the feel of each platform. Here's how I see it. If you're gunning for all the customization, want heavy-duty integrations, and see your company blowing up in size, ADP is your best bet, hands down. But if you want smooth sailing, straightforward pricing, and you just don't want to mess around with complicated stuff, TriNet has the edge. It's super friendly for SMBs, or anyone wanting to keep HR simple. Still on the fence about your next HR move? Bookmark this guide, because honestly, staying ahead with people management can make or break your company's vibe in 2025.